Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to make a lemon poppy seed cake at home. It's so simple to do this recipe and the cake was so delicious. I loved it so much. I hope you try out this recipe and I hope you love it as much. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Watch out for my new cake series and let's get started. So to prepare the cake batter, add margarine to a mixing bowl, and guys, all the ingredients kama kawaida will be on the description box and their quantities. Then add sugar. Give that a good mix using a spatula first before going in with a whisk. And I'm not going to use a hand mixer for this recipe, just to show you that it's possible to do a cake even without a hand mixer. You can use a whisk and a spatula to do the whole process. And after mixing the two ingredients together, now start adding the eggs. Add one at a time. And if you've watched my other cake recipes, you know that I keep saying add your eggs one at a time. Do not add them all together. And then give it a good mix. And at this point now, you know this is where we add our flavor. So I added a half teaspoon of vanilla essence, because vanilla essence is good to add. It's good to add vanilla essence to almost all flavors. It helps to keep the eggs smell and taste away. Then give that a good mix. Mix as much as you can, and that is 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And at this point also you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest if you've got, and then I added a half teaspoon of lemon essence. But this is optional, especially if you add lemon zest, it is completely optional to add the lemon essence. Then give that a good mix. And that's it for all the wet ingredients of the cake. So we start now adding the dry ingredients: sift all-purpose flour, baking powder, just ensuring that you're getting rid of all the lumps, any dirt and any other unwanted properties in the all-purpose flour and baking powder. And after that, now add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. You can find poppy seeds in shops that sell cereals or even at the supermarket. Then give that a good mix. Just ensuring that all the ingredients come together, ensuring that you scrub the sides of the mixing bowl too. And you can see the cake batter is looking nice, it's thick. So add it to a prepared baking tin, and then you're going to spread it evenly to just make sure that it's leveled like shown on the video. And then tap on the table just to get rid of any air bubbles before baking. And like I said before, I like to bake my cakes at 150 degrees. They bake for longer, but they bake better than at a high temperature. And the cake is ready after 50 minutes. Just remove it from the mold and it's ready to cut and to enjoy. You guys, this cake was so spongy, so soft. I loved it so much. It was my first time ever trying to make a lemon poppy seed cake, and I loved it so much. So I hope you try out this recipe. I can guarantee you it's completely delicious. And thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you've watched this video to this point, I salute you and I wish you all a good day.